If you're experiencing login issues with Valorant, particularly the login failure error, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting your ability to log in. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to access other websites or online games. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 3. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issues and get back to playing Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.